'70 Ford Shelby GT500, Hot Wheels Garage. I know, I've said it once before. Well, buckos and buckaloos, it's time to saddle up, because we got ourselves a Mustang. And a Mustang, you need a saddle. In a saddle, you need plenty of horsepower. And this turkey will bring it on. Real Rider stomping tires, stomper, spelled with an S. This looks like a latest version Mustang. Gray and blackish purple hard top. Solid metal through and through. Whoa. 1 minute, folks. Hoorah!